The second speaker is Mr. Haruto Yamauchi. Mr. Yamauchi's presentation is entitled Saving Marine Life. Mr. Yamauchi, please come to the front.
Hello everyone, I'm Haruto Yamauchi. Today, I want to talk about my class research into saving marine creatures. To begin with, please look at this picture. What do you think about this? As you see, this is a seal that cannot move because of a lot of trash in the sea. When we saw this picture, we were so shocked. So, we decided to investigate the situation and find a way to solve this problem. First, we found that there are more than 150 million tons of plastic in this world. Also, about 8 million tons of trash comes from the sea every year. Looking at this graph, you will be surprised to see how big the percentage of plastic is. Of course, we should consider other kinds of trash. But first, we considered how we could reduce plastics. To see our local environment, we participated in an activity with Isahaya Clean Up Club. We walked near the riverbed, picked up some trash, and then investigated what kinds of trash there were. Please look at this picture. This is the trash that we collected. We can see plastic bags, plastic bottles, and shoes. Although the riverbed had been cleaned up only 1 month ago, there was already a lot of trash again. As we expected, what we found the most of was plastic bags and plastic bottles. Next, please look at this picture. There was also trash that was thrown away by a ship. By participating in this volunteer activity, we realized that we must try to reduce the amount of garbage. But also, we realized that we need to consider how to decrease the amount of trash that already exists in this world, including in the sea. Then, we investigated the present climate situation. In our research, we found that many things had changed. For instance, the average temperature rose from 30.7 degrees to 40.5 degrees in 50 years. Also, according to the World Meteorological Organization, WMO, there is a 66% probability that the average temperature will rise 1.5 degrees by 2027. Also, the sea level rose 125 millimeters in 50 years. This is a serious problem. So we must consider what we can do about this problem. To reduce the amount of used plastic bags, we made eco bags from old newspaper in school. We provided it to a convenience store near our school. Many customers took them, and there were no eco bags left after a few days. We are glad that many people cooperated with our activity. We hope that this action becomes an opportunity for people to take care of the environment. As another countermeasure, we will talk about how to recycle trash. One example is stores that collect plastic bottles from customers, and customers can get points and use them for shopping. Moreover, the stores donate those bottles to recycling companies, and those companies change collected plastic bottles into new ones. This system is spreading in all prefectures in Japan. Convenience stores are one example, but you'll find other stores that also have similar systems. If you find one, please write it out. Furthermore, there are other activities that counter this problem. For example, you can make art by using marine garbage that is picked up by local people. Please look at this. These are signboards of local festivals. By making marine garbage into interesting and useful things, we don't need to use new materials. This can help prevent the loss of sea life and climate change. I believe that such activities can help our Earth. As you know, climate change affects sea life. This is because it makes temperatures in the sea much hotter. This makes it a difficult environment for sea creatures to live in. So, the ecosystem will collapse due to these two things, climate change and garbage in the sea. Ecosystems are complicated and have been around for a long time. If we don't try to preserve them, a huge amount of sea creatures will die. To prevent this, each of us must take action. If you are interested in saving marine life, please do what you can for the environment. It's our generation that can save the future. Thank you.